Hi, everybody. So, what's the big news? The big news is I left the hospital today around 7 ish, and the reason I was in the hospital, there's no reason. I thought I was going through a difficult situation, and the mental state my mental state is just not like everybody else's, meaning I have a condition. But guess what? I don't want to talk about it. In fact, we're actually going to be talking about on my way back from the hospital to here. I didn't have my glasses or contacts in, and I thought to myself, the Christmas lights on the streets look so pretty. Okay, it really got me in the mood for Christmas. But the thing is, Thanksgiving is not even over yet. It's tomorrow. What do I have planned? I don't know. Maybe just mooching off of lots of good food. What else is there to do? I'll film a video for sure. Because this year, I don't know about previous years, but this year I know like we all not really getting together, so it's just gonna be like any other day. But I'm going to say this video is what I'm going to do for it. And another thing is I really like my outfit that I have put on after I got back home. I took a shower in the hospital, so I don't really need to shower. Do you see this? This is towel dried hair. Okay, let me show you my outfit really quick because I really like this kind of look. I thought it was. Hold up, does it make me look fat? Maybe a little bit. There's really no behind. There's really no side profile. It actually looks awkward. It actually looked very awkward. I really regret the fact that I did the whole. I actually stood up, did the whole, and then I sat back down. Why? Because I was excited to show people my matching outfit. I don't know if you can see, but there's like reddish color flowers that match this, and the white from the white flower match this. This is super cute. Makes me feel like I'm foreign, which I am. I don't know if you can tell from this setup is I'm back in my room again. The reason I post this video is because I had some stuff I wanted to say on my way back. I wanted to make a GoFundMe account for for rainy days. If I don't have anything else to do, I don't want to be stuck here, so I need a little something. Do you know what I mean? Okay, it's okay, Phil. But I don't really know where that is going to take me because it's like, would I feel bad? No, I wouldn't feel bad if I made a GoFundMe account. And I'm just thinking of all the people that would actually donate, but I'm not going to. Because the holidays is right around the corner and I have lots and lots of things I have to say. And on my wish list is actually, I don't know. Again, this is just like the reason why I'm in the hospital is because I don't want to talk about it. Did I ever show you my phone case cover? I really like it because it really reminds me of like the style that I had really liked. And it's not so much of a this like a yeah, I went to a hospital called 100 Acre Woods. That's not the point. The point is I like this style. And I want to know if anyone knows the name of this kind of style that I'm going towards. But if not, that's okay. It'll just be. Does this make my chest look really big? It's supposed to because it's like a really tight fitted shirt. And the fact that it cuts off right here. How about this? Does this make anything better? No, it doesn't. It really does not. Let's talk about YouTube. YouTube makes me feel like I don't know. Do you remember like back in the day when there was this puppet show on YouTube? It was really popular for some reason, but I don't know why. It was like they were literally like finger puppets. They're like talking about characters from the Harry Potter series. And I don't know why it was so popular. Because it's like, I get it. You don't like your hair because it reminds you of. I'm not kidding you right now. I actually. I don't know if it's the. Like my Go Gryffindor t shirt or what, but. Do you know what I'm talking about? Hmm. Okay, exactly. This is exactly the point that I'm getting at. This is the definition of YouTube, and the reason why I do YouTube is because I'm like drawing all these connections, and I feel like I'm the only one doing these kind of videos. Let me show you this other aesthetic that something that I just saw on my in my room, the aesthetic that I'm going for. 1 second. Okay, ready? This is the aesthetic that I'm going for. Do you see this? Okay, good. I'm glad you see this aesthetic, my face next to the aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. So now that we got that out of the way, I really, really wish I had not hot chocolate. If I said I wish I had hot chocolate, I don't even think we should be here anymore. But that's something, I don't know. Okay, I'm done talking. It's been 10 minutes. Bye.